Because I went to raid a restaurant in Mall of Africa. The owner refused to open. I said, if you don't open, there won't be business here today. He realized, because I knew that the restaurant opens for lunch. So I went 2 hours before lunch. I said, if you don't open, no problem. There's not going to be business here. We're not disrupting your business. We're exercising our right. We're going to stand outside and sing. And there's no one who wants to eat while people are singing outside struggle songs. So, and then he came to the table to negotiate. He said to me, Julius, here's the advert. I advertised 10 chefs. Give me 10 now. I'll hire them. I've got no policy of hiring foreign nationals. I've got no such a policy. Give me now. I'm looking at those EFF people who were with me, chefs, madam. They didn't have chefs. So, then I left satisfied that I can't give him what he wants. So I can't force him. He's running a business. He wants chefs. He wants to cook. So if I say, no, if it's not South African, you're not going to cook, I'm closing that business. But had I had a chef, and then I'll say, no, give me this foreigner and take the chef. And we made a call where you are being replaced with foreigners who think they took your job because you are qualified for that job. And more qualified, more than them sometimes. Callers will give you that job back to you. That's what inspectors from the employment department should do. He spoke about inspectors. Till today, I have not seen one inspector. He even gave a number in the State of the Nation address. I can't remember what was the number of inspectors he's going to hire this year. Nothing. 10,000. 10,000 inspectors. Instead of these tribalists who are marching, instead of saying, where are the 10,000 jobs that you spoke about of inspectors? Bring them here. They say, no, Malema said the foreigners must come here. But here are the 10,000 jobs which were given through the State of the Nation address. That there's going to be 10,000 inspectors. Where are they? Let's get these inspectors. Let's put them in all the employment places to inspect who is employed there and what skill are they bringing. Can't we find that skill for you? And have a huge database, by the way. Huge employment department database that we are allowed to just go on its website and say chefs. It just goes chefs in Midrand. It gives us a list. We print a list and give you. Inspectors standing there. So we're being made to fight because someone is not doing his job somewhere. And an impression is created that, no, we prefer foreigners over our own. It's not correct.